Hey, Sam here. Welcome to Push Connect Notify 2017 edition. Now, for those of you who remember last year, this launched as a software and it's been upgraded with a whole bunch of new upgrades for this year. If you already have this, you'll be upgraded to the current version. However, if this is all new today we're going to take a look at how Push Connect Notify works and then also some of the differences between the first version and this version. Okay, so with Push Connect Notify, it takes advantage of push notifications. You may have some add-ons onto your browser already, that bring you push notifications, like the Facebook add-on, for example. You get notified when something happens on Facebook. It pops up in the top right corner of your screen, and it brings you back to the website to check out what's going on. Now, this is a good tool to allow you to be able to, take the traffic that hits your website and notify them on the go about things, bringing them back again and again and again. Now, this is really, really easy to set up with Push Connect Notify. It's a simple case of jumping into the dashboard and just clicking Create New Campaign. So here we go. We just choose a campaign name. So I'm going to call this one Demo Test, and we click Proceed. It takes us through step by step automatically, so you don't have to navigate around. You just get walked through on how to create your campaign. Now from here, you just put in the domain name in which your pop-up, your Connect Notify notifications are going to be connected to. So we'll just use the one that I put my bonus pages on. Cool. And then what you can do is you can put a thank you page to direct them to after they've opted in. So in this case, we'll just write in a make-believe domain. However, if you have a thank you page for a download or something like that, you can use this as well. Okay, you can set up the delay into how long it turns up. So you can just put in, 1 or 2 or 3. And the really cool thing about this is because push notifications have been, a really good tool to bring people back to websites. This allows you to be able to capture leads at the same time. So this is what sets it apart from your usual push notification sort of softwares. With Push Connect Notify, you can capture leads at the same time by just clicking the on button. Now, what you do is you have the opt-in form headline, and then you just simply select your account with your autoresponder. So I've already synced up my Aweber account, so we just click on that, and it'll load up all the lists automatically. Now this works with SendLane, GetResponse, Aweber, all the major autoresponders. So all the details for them will be down below which ones work as well. So once you got this, you just select a list to add those emails to. Now, one of the new features is you have the ability to be able to capture the first name as well, should your autoresponder list be set up to be able to do this too. So you can toggle this on and off in case you personalize your emails. Now, over here on the right is where we actually build our push notification opt-in that's going to go on our website. So what we can do is say, hey, we'd love to keep in touch. Cool. So you can edit the headlines just by clicking on it, and you can click and edit the subheader. Please, we can write whatever we like in here. Hey, we'd love to keep in touch. Stay up to date with our notification system. Okay, so we filled in the text. What we can do is we can change the text in the box as well. Just yes please, no thanks. Okay, and it's super simple. I'm just clicking and typing. There's no pop-ups or complicated things. It's just all done in real time. Now from here, we click this teardrop button. We can change the color of the buttons. The amount of depth in terms of being able to customize this has been increased with this version as well. We can also swap out this icon, which we'll do in a second. But what we can do is we can also change the background color. So we might want to have our pop-up box dark gray. We'll change our text color to be white. There we go, perfect. And what we can do is we can swap out this icon here to be whatever we want. We can use the little rocket ship, cool. Or we can upload one as well. Now for the badge as well, that's what when it pops up in the corner, what shows up. So we're just going to simply click on choose icon, and I'll sync it up as well and just make it the rocket one too for the purpose of this demo. Now what we can do is we can position where we want this box to go, center, left, right, and the badge position can be left or right as well. Now Push Connect Notify has added a whole bunch of different languages, so you can choose from a number of them here. we're going to keep it English for this demo. And all we have to do, basically, is we've already saved our changes. So it's all done. We've done it all. We've got to insert a valid page URL. There we go. So we click Save Changes, and our campaign has been saved. So now we've set this all up completely. Now, if we want to be able to put this on our website, all we do is we just click on Campaign Details up here. Okay, and we have the embed code. So we put this on our website, and it's going to add this pop-up box onto our website so people can opt in and then follow through to be able to get push notifications, okay? Also, if you have a WordPress site, there's a one-click WordPress plugin, and also Shopify site as well to be able to have them opt in nice and easy. Now, once they have this, to be able to broadcast to your customers, you just add a new auto push. You add in a title. You can just say, hey, we've got news. We go, and we can go check out the latest product on our site. You're gonna love it. So you can put whatever you want in it within a certain amount of words, so it shows up. So you're going to, you'll love it. We'll have to change that because we put in too many letters. Okay, and then you can put in the URL to this website, and then you can choose when they should send it. Today, tomorrow, whenever, okay? And then we just save it, and they will get a notification in their browser. This works for all major browsers that support, the notification plugins, and it really is a fantastic way for you to be able to, keep your customers up to date by being able to send notifications and drive traffic back to your website, and also capture leads at the same time to be able to do email marketing for them. So this is Sam. It's been a pleasure to show you Push Connect Notify and some of the basic changes that have happened for the 2017 edition. There is more changes than what I've showcased. It's a lot to go into, so check them out down below on the bonus page. We have them listed out as well, and they will be on the sales page when this goes live. So get in. If you haven't got this already, get in, check this out, and get in during the early bird period and during this launch period so you can get it at maximum discount. This is Sam, and enjoy Push Connect Notify.